These are 4 Tom Holland spoilers that Marvel will never forget. Starting with 2017, when Tom decided to go on Instagram Live to unbox a mysterious package he received from Mark Ruffalo. Inside was an official Infinity War poster marked Confidential, which Tom didn't see yet, so he kept showing the entire thing to thousands of people watching live. Marvel had spent months keeping everything about Infinity War in secret, but Tom managed to destroy it all in a single minute.
I thought you'd like to be the first to see the poster for the movie. Enjoy, Mark Ruffalo.
Next spoiler happened on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, where Tom sat down for just a fun, casual interview. And when Jimmy barely even pushed Tom, asking just one simple question about Spider-Man 4, for some reason Tom completely folded under zero pressure, not only confirming that his comeback as Spider-Man was happening, but also that filming was about to start next summer, and that he and Zendaya had already read the script together.
There is some chatter that Spider-Man 4 is happening, and that you'll be back as Spider-Man. Can we confirm this tonight?
It's happening.
But the funniest one happened during the press tour for No Way Home, where Tom accidentally started describing the scene where MJ falls and Andrew Garfield's Spider-Man catches her, not even realizing he just told something that only an actor who was actually there could know. And Andrew Garfield totally couldn't stay in character after seeing Tom's embarrassed face.
That was quite a scary stunt.
Yeah.
What you guys did there.
Yeah. It was fun.
It was really fun.
It's very unnatural.
Well, I wasn't there. It looked really fun.
And the latest spoiler was right on the set of Avengers Endgame, because after every movie Tom accidentally spoiled, Marvel trusted Tom so little that they basically told him the funeral scene for Tony Stark was a wedding. And even though he found it suspicious seeing every actor dressed in black, he just assumed that was the dress code. And during his very next press interview, he accidentally mentioned that he had filmed some wedding scene, not realizing he had just hinted at Iron Man's death to everyone who heard it.